Hi, this is Ivana Kudrymankiewicz with Berkshire Hathaway Kenny Grubloff, and today I wanted to give you a few tips on how to get a house ready for an open house or a showing in the winter. So generally, I give my clients a pretty extensive list of how to get ready for a showing or an open house. In the winter, when it's chilly and wet outside and the weather is not cooperating, there are a few steps that I think is very important to take to make a buyer feel welcome. They have been out there for hours with their realtor looking at homes. They're probably cold, they're probably tired, bundled up in hats, coats, heavy boots. So when they get to your house, if you make them feel welcome, they're probably gonna get a very positive first impression and remember your house amongst other competition. Number one, shovel the sidewalk and de-ice the steps. It seems like common sense and you would think that people are going to do it instinctively, but you would be shocked how many times my buyers and I have had to climb the front steps fearing for our lives. So often there's so much to do that a homeowner will rush through the inside, get everything ready, and will simply forget about the crucial step of getting the buyer through the front door safely and without accident. Number two, make your house as bright as possible. So it's really dark outside, it's gloomy, it's snowing, we haven't seen sunshine in months, everybody's depressed, and the last thing you want is a buyer coming into your dark and gloomy house and feeling even more depressed. So do whatever it takes, turn on the lights, get light bulbs that are as bright as possible, open the shutters, open the curtains, clean the windows, and make the house welcoming and cheerful. So when the buyer leaves, they're gonna leave with a smile on their faces. Number three, if you really want to make an impression, turn on the fireplace. If it's a gas fireplace, it's pretty simple, just flip on the valve. If it's a wood-burning fireplace, get a couple of 2-hour logs. They will last you just the length of the open house. And if you feel really ambitious, then you can offer some hot cider or hot coffee, or maybe even bake some cookies to make the buyer feel really at home and cinch the deal. And this is my tips for how to hold an open house or showing in the winter time. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email, text message, or call me at 773-865-5661. And for more information, you can also visit my website at